Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to use our how to install our USB series, our newest LED strips that specially designed for a LCD screen that already equipped the LED strip. For example, this comes one LED strips, pigtails, and drivers, couple of heat sinks, so you can put it at the bottoms. Before we do that, I want to do the comparison, set aside the kits, because this is, well, let's take a look at the screen. The screen made by Sharp, LQ150X1LG92. LQ150X1LG92. It's a 15-inch screen. As you can see, the LED strips on the side, all the way mounted on this, along with the bottoms. Here is LED driver is part of the LED interface board. So I mean, you can see two connectors here. Hopefully, this is for the digital signal connectors. This one is actually for LED drivers, supply voltage connectors. All right. So before we do that, let's do a comparisons. Let's see what happens. What is the need with the original one? Since this one have a built-in LED driver, I have correct wires. So basically, let me see which direction. Okay, so we can connect this. Why should be this end? Okay, so this digital signal to this end. Check out see how bright is, so we can do the comparison. Fire up my signal generators. And then I hope you can see better. Let's put it this way. See, this screen already has one of the protective films, so when you use it, you just peel it off. See? Okay. So let's see. Okay, I want to bring up a little bit. Okay, we're gonna make a center. We're gonna use the Minota meters. Okay, we just break the center. So when we do the comparison after upgrade, we can do the center too. Turn it on. .2. 309.2 nits. 307 nits. 309.1. So let's mark it like 309 as what we have measurements. 309 nits, 309 nits, 309 nits. Shut off the meters, set it aside. Okay, I can shut off the generator too. Remove these two wires. Set aside the controller. Take a look at the screen again. Again, this is made by Sharp LED. So basically, this one's LED. Let me show you how to remove it. Peel off this one. We don't need it anymore. Okay, we just protected the wires. This one you kind of like it tilt up a little bit, and then you can see, here we go, you can remove the wire easy. On this side there's a clip, sure you can see, and you push it down, move out the plastic clips up. Let's say you push it down, here we go, take it out, see that? So of course you can kind of stick in, but that's not the way we want to do it, because we want to disassemble the whole thing and then make sure that our LED strip stick really well with this aluminum back end, and then after that we add the heat sink. So make sure that they can spread the heat enough, fast enough. Okay, so in order to take out the screen, we have to remove the board. and the metal film. So let's do the metal film. Let me get a piece of cardboard ready so that's easier for me to transport the liquid glass. I have a cardboard here, the clean cardboard. So first, take this one out. 3 screws. Okay. Alright, now next we're gonna take it out. So this tape is, you can just peel it off or just shut. I think I would prefer to peel it off because later on we're gonna add heat sink on the back. Oops. It's an old tape. Just no rush. Slowly. Okay. Okay, one side at a time. Just be careful. No rush. Okay. This one was bent a little bit, but it's okay. I can straighten it up later. Okay, so the way I would like to do, just be careful because you see there's a tip right here. So the easiest way for me, I think, to use a blade. Oh, where's my blade? So be careful when you use a blade, you don't want to damage those tabs. So just leave it up like this. Just make sure the blade is like along with the metal, stick with the up top metal frame, so that way you won't damage it. See that? So when you slice, you use knife, just touch like this, and then you won't. I'll show you later. Then you will not damage the tab. This is the tab I'm talking about. So, all right, leave it out. Now, I'm going to use this cardboard to transport the liquid glass. Okay, now we need to remove this plastic. Okay, so remember the screw holding screws on the metal part like this. So when we stick our LED to it, has to be all the way inside. Okay. And you stick all the way inside, so that way if you stick it out, that would be a problem because the screw's right there, so you had to stick all the way inside. Alright, so let's remove this plastic film. Take a look. The back aluminum. Fine. Okay. So if you want, you can wear the glove, but if you just be careful, you don't need to. But to avoid the fingerprint, put it on diffusion sheet. Okay. So this end's done. I'll do this end. Yeah. Okay. Okay. There's a few more on this end. Just don't force it, you know, because I don't want you to damage those aluminum plates. Even not damage, you bend it, that's what I meant. Even though you bend it, you can bend it back later on, but the best is just not too many force. Okay, why this end don't come out? Here we go, take it out. So usually what I do is that I'm using a really clean towel to grab a stack of this diffusion sheet, lay on the top of a lay on the top. Don't mess up the order, okay? You just lay on the top of a liquid glass. So now let's see. The plastic is like this way, is it? Yeah. So the wire is come out from this side. Okay, from this side. We had to stick to it. Let me just take this plexiglass aside. Another towel. Grab it. I'll just set it here. So the LED should stick all the way in. So this plastic is like this one, and then that, which just means that, you see this? This is stick here, put it here. So I'll show you. We have to cut off a little bit the sections, because otherwise we couldn't snap back. So we cut a little bit, and we make sure LED all the way in. That would be perfect. Remember, the LED is not stick to the plastic film, it stick to the aluminum, because the aluminum had to put in like this, so we had to open up some room on this end. So what I do is I'm going to use in a solder tip, just melt this plastic and use a blade to cut it. Show you next video.